regarding dun sa ating stresses is itong thermal stress. So let me read first the problem. So steel railroad rails 10 meters long are installed with an initial clearance of 5 mm at 10 degrees Celsius temperature. Assume coefficient of thermal expansion of steel alpha is equivalent to 11.7 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter per meter degree Celsius and E equals 206.9 gigapascal. At what temperature will the rail just touch? So hanapin natin yung temperature na magta-touch yung rail. So meaning wala na siyang clearance. So to solve that temperature, given ang initial clearance, we will use yung thermal elongation natin. So yung thermal elongation is related dun sa ating thermal expansion natin dun sa ating temperature. So yung formula natin doon is yung alat, yung alpha times length times yung delta T. So yung thermal clearance natin, yan yung gagalawan ng rail, which is basically 5 mm. Pag sinubstitute natin yan, 5 mm equals yung given na alpha, 11.7 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter per meter degree Celsius. So kung papansinin, magka-cancel out yung meter. So times yung total length, that is 10 meters, times yung delta T na T minus 10 degrees. Palitan mo yung meter, in millimeters, so cancel out to, times 1,000. Cancel out din yung ating millimeters. So matitirang mga unit lang degree Celsius, which is basically yan yung hinahanap nga natin. So kunin lang natin yung temperature natin. So 5 equals 11.7. Lipat ko na ito sa kabila. So, yung negative 6 times 10. Then, meron tayo dito x minus yung 10 ulit. Then, this is times 1,000. So, simply press shift solve. And so, makuha nyo na yung ating temperature being equivalent sa 52.74 degrees Celsius. Yan yung ating answer. So, from the choices, yan yung letter A natin. Okay, so let us now consider another problem naman sa stresses regarding dun sa ating flexural loading. So, let me read first the problem. So, high-strength steel bandsaw, 20 mm wide and 0.8 mm thick, runs over the pulley 600 mm diameter. So what minimum diameter pulleys can be used without exceeding the flexural stress of 400 mm. So since this is a bandsaw problem, we will be applying yung tinatawag na bandsaw formula. So ito, derived na to sa bandsaw equation, yung MC over I. We will show probably later on paano ito na-derive. But just remember for now, when we are solving bandsaw problems, yung bandsaw formula natin is basically yung set D. So kapag pwede nyo tandaan, so board exam, di ba merong mga set sa kada examination. So may set dito na sa machine design puro bandsaw lang yung problem. So pwede nyo gamitin yung set D. Pero in actual board exam, wala naman talaga set D na questionnaire. This is just to remind us na merong equation na ganito. Okay, so anyway, substitute lang natin yung mga values. So yung stress is yan yung 400 megapascal. Yung E ay modulus of elasticity ng steel. So pag SI, pwede nyo gamitin yung 210, 208, 205 gigapascal. But to have an exact answer din sa choices natin, we will use yung minimum niya na 200. So times yung thickness na 0.8 millimeters over yung diameter. So before we solve this, we convert yung gigapascal into megapascal. So we know 1 gigapascal is 1,000 megapascal. Kaya nakamultiply siya ng. Okay, so pag nilagay natin yung values ng ating equation dun sa ating calculator, 400, yun yung nasa kaliwa, equals 200 times 0.8. And sabi ko nga, lagyan nyo lang unit conversion na 1,000. Slip ko ninyo lang yung diameter natin. Press may shift solve. Then antayin lang natin. By the way, pag check mo yung units, cancel out yung megapascal, even yung gigapascal, so ang matitirang unit ay millimeters. Exactly yung nakuha na 400 millimeter. And yung ating answer sa problem na yan.